You break it, you buy it. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today, we're back out in the Azusa Canyon, and we're here to do our usual, update and, hang out for the day and see what's going on. It is a slow day, at least from what I can see so far. We're getting here about 9-10 a.m. and the parking lot is empty. There's virtually probably no mud trucks here. I need to put some off-road miles on the Dirtnation Tacoma. We're fresh off our steering rack. We did the Tundra rack upgrade, and I haven't taken this truck off-road in a long time, so we're just, nothing crazy, no stupid rock crawling or anything. That could have been very bad, but we're just gonna go out and, see what's up with the park today and, get some dirt on the Tacoma. We'll do some other things and see if there's anybody here partying it up, having fun. We're gonna finish tearing down, roll in, and let's see how it looks. So in an attempt to make this video interesting, I'm just kidding, it's gonna be plenty interesting. The baby boy's gonna drive today. You ready? Sure, me too. Let's go fucking do stuff. Hit the brake a little. Hit the brake a little. Hit the brake a little.
Damn. Am I ready?
Yeah, you're good. Just don't go through the water fast. And so see those rocks? Yeah. Don't hit the rocks.
There.
All right, go straight right there. That's good right there. Used to it, because rocks that lie beneath. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. Crossing the water. Very good, son. Yeah, that's all right. It's pretty easy with the bikers. Just don't hit them.
Correction. Can he not hit me?
Yeah. Well, that's up to him. Well, don't go straight towards him. There you go. He's going that way.
The same. I'm going straight. It's not my fault if he hits me.
It is though.
How?
Well, that's what I'm saying. So, and when it comes to driving, humans, okay, pedestrians, and bikes have the right of way. If you hit them and they did it because they're stupid, right? It's still your fault. Oh, this is why I can't feel the fucking air. You have this closed. Yeah, just go straight right there. Yeah, that's fine. You're doing great, kid.
Yeah. I'm not nervous, guys. I'm not
Well, just don't, fuck up my new steering rack by hitting a big ass rock. That's the key. Very good. There you go. Just keep that pace. You don't go any faster.
I'm not even pressing the gas really.
Yeah, I know. Well, it's because it's in 4 low, so it,
It naturally goes.
It naturally goes, yeah. Having fun?
Yeah, I was actually tempted to speed up right there.
No, you don't need to. Not the shuckle! Keep going straight right there. Whee! Trees. I want scratches on this truck.
Don't spill my coffee.
Don't hit the fucking trees! Don't spill my coffee.
You know what that's from?
No. Remember, there might be somebody popping around this corner, so take it with urgency.
So I'm not going that fast.
Yeah, very good. Stop. You're gonna hit the fence. Man, you almost hit that shit.
I'm fine.
Yes. All right. Calm down. Calm the fuck down.
I'm not even pressing the gas.
I know you aren't, but still. See, that was you crawling with your tire. Then just go a little left. Oh, I see. We're hitting water crossings today. Ah, yes. Keep going. You're just going up and over. You're all right. There ain't nothing in front of you. It flattens out. There you go. You break it, you buy it. Turn passenger as you go up the hill. There you go. Perfect. Cool. This is really cool. I'm having fun right now. Listen to that bucket of bolts. All right, stop right there. Are you having fun, young man? I see you're getting a little brave going through those bumps.
Yeah. You're just driving.
Yeah.
I was using rocks as my
You're
check marks. I don't know if you noticed.
Go up and over this hill nice and slow, okay? I don't know what's over here, so the first time going down it, you gotta be, all right? I see. Yeah, there's a couple of them. So straighten out your tires right there. That's good. A little more this way. There you go. Hit the brake going down. There you go. I don't know what's up and over that, but go ahead. Let's go. Go up and nice and slow. You'll be all right. So go up nice and slow. You'll be all right.
I know there's nothing over there.
Well, you don't. That's the problem. So no, you have to, you know, it's good to know beforehand. But I can see people have driven up this. So, all right, go ahead and go straight. Go as you are. Just continue up. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Go a little passenger. Little passenger. You're going the wrong passenger. Oh, you did. Okay. Cool. Well, that was cool.
Wait, did he tell me? Oh, okay.
Yeah, see, that guy's waving you to go because he's saying nobody's going. See, that's smart.
Yeah, that's why I...
Yeah, go ahead and go up. Go ahead. Cool. Attaboy. You're doing good, kid. Cool. Alright, let's go over this way. Just pick one. Actually, go to the last one. So keep going straight right now. Passenger. Hit the brake, hit the brake. Yeah, see, you're letting it roll free. There you go. Watch the rock. Very good. There's actually people showing up right now. So, with something like this, you don't want to crawl at it at a weird angle. You just want to go straight up. And then you want to keep an eye on it. So those rocks are little. I know those rocks aren't going to hit anything. So we're all good there. And then I also know that this truck has a good amount of flex. So it always depends on what vehicle you have. But you see the holes? I'm going to drive into the holes and the whole truck is going to articulate through them. And we should be able to drive right up this, no problem. It lost me?
Yep.
What was it crashing into?
It almost ran into a rock.
Let me see. Oh, it's in the tree. It's in the tree! Sorry babe, I crashed your drone. It's working though. That's all that matters.
Wait, you get mud on me! Ah!
How is there's no mud in Azusa Canyon, yet this kid finds a way to get me muddy. Don't drive over that rock. There you go. Go around that fucking thing. There, you're good. Ooh, getting the camera all wet. See a hill, hit a hill. We're gonna have little man do it. Come on. Come on. Very good. Keep going. You're good. Little driver. Go driver. Oof. Go driver. Right there. Keep going. Don't turn yet. Go passenger now. Right there. Not too far passenger. Straighten out a little. Right there is good. There you go. Up and over. Attaboy. He fucking listens. It's really cool. You know, you usually don't get to see your truck driving around, and to see my boy driving, you know, his truck.
A few inches later.
Hey, what the fuck did you go down? You went down that?
Yeah.
Wait. What the fuck? Sonny. Are you serious? You just went down this?
Yeah.
Oh. Lord help me. Lord fucking help me. Did you fuck up our truck, kid?
Not really.
Oh my fucking God, dude. You're supposed to go around the mountain, not up the fucking mountain. Oh my God. Well, I hope this was recording, because that probably just captured this very fucking good. Oh my oh, you dented the bumper. Holy shit, kid. I can't believe. That could have been very bad. Look at that, dude. He fucking dented that good. Kid.
Yeah.
Please don't go extracurricular without my instruction, huh? How's that sound? Remember what I said? If you can't see what's on the other side, you probably shouldn't go down or up it. Yeah. Right? Didn't I say that?
Yeah.
Did we learn that today? All right. Well, you know, just changing it up a little bit. The kid broke the truck. It wasn't me this time. So, you know, everyone comment below, like father, like son. It is what it is. All right, well, something's going on with the ABS system. I'm gonna have to take it home. It goes out of 4-wheel drive, and it does stop. It's using mechanical brakes just fine. I have a feeling that a wheel speed sensor wire may have gotten ripped, or the connector finally broke, because I've had other things happen on this truck where the wheel speed sensors start to act up and do some weird things. So once we get down the hill, I can actually read the code and see what's going on. I tried clearing it, comes back right away. That tells me that it is a wiring related issue. Something is completely disconnected. We'll just have to see, but we'll drive it home, get it all going from there. Now, Azusa Canyon. It's kind of boring right now. You know, just being honest, it's kind of boring right now. Will we be able to have fun in Azusa still? Yes, absolutely. There is going to come a point where all the dredging project and all of that stuff is going to go away, and we'll be able to have you know, more of the park than we normally do. The only thing I stress to you guys is the recent things that have been taken away, you know, such as closing off the hills and, you know, some of the water crossings and the, you know, no water pumps. That's due to abuse. There's rules in place, and yes, nobody likes rules, but we have the rules here, and they're here for a reason. So we got to just follow all of that, and that will help us continue to have what little bit of this park that we still have, because otherwise it's just going to close and go away, and none of us want that. Maybe some of you guys do, but hey, don't ruin it for the rest of us, right? This park can still be fun. There's still some good times to be had here. There's still some memories to be made. So we just got to do our part of keeping this place open. So follow the rules. It's as simple as that. Clean up your trash, follow the rules, and that'll go a long way towards keeping this place fun and cool. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, we got some hill action today. We got to watch the boy drive the Tacoma. We got to take the Tacoma on a shakedown run. We shook her down real good today. Fucking A. I think I said in the beginning of this video, no rock crawling, no crazy stuff like that. Well, no. But that's going to be it for this one. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You know, this is for shirts, hats, hoodies, and all those other goodies at our merch store, dirtnationshop.com. There's some brand new shirts and some hoodies on the site, so you guys can check all that stuff up. We will have a link down below. That's going to be it for this one. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you again next time.